So what is up people, welcome back to my channel Dr. Crazy Science. In today's video, I'll be teaching you 5 tips which will help your battery to last long. All you have to do is follow all the tips mentioned in the video and you will be able to find a rapid change in your battery life. So let's get started. So the first trick is gonna be always make sure you apply a darker wallpaper. So in my phone I have applied somewhat a darker wallpaper, but I'm not satisfied. So to change it, go to your settings, go to wallpaper and then select your wallpapers, and in that select a darker wallpaper. So what dark wallpaper does is, it reduces the light which shines on your screen and it significantly saves the battery. So this is going to be the first one, and let's hop on to the next one. So the second tip is going to be dark mode. So as you can see, when I scroll onto my notification panel, everything is in white, so the light shines a lot and the battery will drain quickly. And when you see, when I go to my settings, everything is in white. So and when I go to my call dialer, the whole thing is in white. I'm going to teach you how to make that black. So you can do it two ways. Either scroll down to your notifications panel and go to the settings, then go to display, and then there's an option called dark mode. So select that, and you can either turn on now or you can turn on as schedule, and you can choose when to schedule, a custom schedule or sunset to sunrise. So once I turn on, you can see that everything which is white has become black, and when I scroll onto the notification panel, the same thing happens, and when I go to the settings, it's black, and also when I go to the caller ID, it's black. And this is what dark mode does, and it's a really helpful and a useful tip. Do try it out, and let's hop on to the next one. Okay, so coming on to the third tip, it's gonna be all about always on display. So it is an interesting feature which provides to show the time on the screen itself when the screen is locked. So this feature was only coming in the Samsung flagship phones, and now they have added it to the mid-range phone also. So I recommend you to go to the settings to do a small tweak on this always on display. You can go to the settings, go to always on display, and then instead of making it show always, I would recommend you to make it tap to show. So you can either off it or you can make it tap to show. So what tap to show does is, when you tap the screen, it shows for 10 seconds. So I'm going to lock my screen over here, and then I'm going to tap it, and you can see the phone always on display works. So let's try that again. Okay, so again tap it and it works. So let's hop on to the next one. Okay, so the fourth tip is gonna be all about the brightness. So this affects the battery life a lot, and keeping it on full makes your battery run out of juice quickly. And there's a feature called adaptive brightness in the latest One UI 2, or in other Samsung phone it will be written as auto brightness. So what this adaptive brightness does is, it automatically adjusts the brightness level of the screen depending on the amount of light which hits the screen. So this is a really important tip, and it saves a lot of battery, and do try it out. Okay, coming on to the final one, it's gonna be all about optimizing the settings. So all you have to do is swipe up and go to your settings, scroll down till you find an option called device care, click on it and go and select battery. Once clicking on battery, you will get some features, some options. So go click on power mode. So in that you will be able to find an option called adaptive power saving. So what it does is, it automatically finds the amount of usage done by the phone, and it adjusts the power mode depending on the usage. This option also saves a lot of battery, so try it out without fail. So that's gonna be the end of the video. If you loved it, do subscribe my channel, like this video, and if you have any other questions or queries regarding this, do mention it in the comment section. And as always, see you guys in the next one.